Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change the language settings on Genshin Impact. So in order to do that, once you've logged in and opened your game, you just need to go to this top left corner with this Paimon icon, and once you tap there, you'll be shown this page. We just need to go to settings right here, and once you're there, you can just go ahead and tap on language, which is right below messages and right above account. Once you tap there, you have two types of languages. You can change the game language or you can change the voiceover language. So to change the voiceover language, you need to download the files. So the game language, you just need to tap on whatever that you want. You can tap on Spanish and you can see it has been changed, or Korean or Turkish. And there you go. That's how you change the language in Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.